Hello everyone and welcome to my new tutorial on the SmartAssistant channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to enable Zoom on any website in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy phone. This option, known as Force Enable Zoom, is extremely useful for those who want better content visibility or have vision issues. Follow the steps below to learn how to activate this feature and enjoy greater flexibility while browsing the internet. Open your Google Chrome app. As soon as you open it, you'll see 3 dots in the upper right corner. Tap them to open the drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, tap on Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down, find the Accessibility option, and tap on it. When you open this option, you just need to tap the switch next to Force Enable Zoom. That's it. This will also be the end of this video. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and of course subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you.